So welcome everybody into another backtesting session. We're going to do a quick or not quick backtesting session on GbpUsd. So this was a simulation that I was already running from there. I don't know where was the starting date, probably the beginning of August or mid of August. I don't remember. And yeah, I actually don't remember at all. Yeah, it was based on the 1 minute, I guess, or on the hourly. I think based on this pattern, I think it was based on the 2060 was based on the hourly, which is not even what I really like. I think I have other GbpUsd limits on lower time frame. I was doing it with Euro USD. Well, anyway, doesn't really matter, doesn't change a thing. So we're going now to look at it on the like I do in the live stream. So risking 2%, stop loss 3 pips, 10 pips. Okay, and so let's see. Now we are at the end of this London session. We're going to trade the New York session of this same day. We are at the end of August, so I'm not really expecting that much of a volume, but anyway, we are seeing this. Let's make sure that they are updated. Oops. Also on the lower time frame, we have this possible PSA based on the hourly over here. And now let's see the reaction. Of course, now we're going to skip 4 hours till the start of the New York session. Pam, 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 pam. Very good. Yeah, we can see the confirmation that this was a nice and strong hourly PSA, and we can also have the confirmation that this was an interesting hourly PSA. So I want also this one to be updated on the 1 minute chart. So as you can see, this is what happened, and we saw the further bounce from this area, and then a breakout from these highs on the 1 minute. Remember, this is a 1 minute chart, it's not the 20 ticks chart that I usually use. We have this PSA, and yeah, we're going to see what is going on. As I said, we don't have any news, any report, economic report coming during this session, so we're going to see if we have any interesting price action and trade ideas. So for now, we are in the middle of this range. Now we're seeing possibly the GbpUsd pushing bullish. I want to see my first trade idea will be the price to push above, retest. So I will place the limit over here to then push up. I mean, this is quite a big range. This is a 20 pip range. So I would just need less than that. So also the stop loss will not cover too much. So we're going to be very cautious about our entry. We need to have the right one. So now let's see if we have, first of all, the breakout. Okay, so now we're going to place the buy limit at 7 pips far away, which is around over there. You can see how this one, probably this same price action on the actual 20 tick chart would have already given us the retest. So if we were to look at this candle breakout and 40 seconds, the next candle, you see how it goes back. So this would probably be already the entry. So you see here it's already 40 seconds into the minute, so very likely that we have already a candle print this way. So that's where we can place right now the buy limit at these lows. Let's see if it also gets activated. Maybe it does not. Yeah, so we leave the buy limit over there because it did not get activated, but at least is more true to the actual 20 tick chart that I use in practice in live trading. Now let's see if we get prices moving up and up. Our limit was missed by a little bit, and let's see if it's going to give us further entry. For now, it does not. So now price already moved basically 20 pips. So I might want this area to be retested, or I might look on the hourly and wait for the break above these highs in order to have the proper confirmation that the price is going to keep moving bullish and not reject this high time frame area. So let's have a look at it. What's going to happen with the next candles? For now, it's just pushing. We're seeing some rejection. Okay, now what we might do is place a buy limit over at these lows. Okay, so now the ranges are big. We missed this entry and it's okay. Now I just want to place it manually. So I just want to have it at this area. Now it's the same color, so it's a little bit sketchy. And it's about, I mean, we can even use a 3.5 pips for a bigger TP overall, because the ranges are quite big. So let's see. Also, if I want to just use like that, yes. Okay, like this. But we can always adapt based on the price action. Wow, got missed by a little bit again. Let's see, now it got activated. I want to place at 5 pips, the stop loss goes to break even. Okay, you can see it's already break even. Now let's see if it goes to 10 pips, we might just get it, but yeah, it goes back and reject. So it goes like 6 pips and then back to break even. Now on this currency pair, so we might see possible bounce before the actual break above an hourly PSA. Is not like there is some big news that can that brings volatility. So also an entry could be possible here. Okay, yeah, for now it's breaking above. Now further rejection at these highs. Now the price is possibly breaking below. Now we have this intermediate price sensitivity area. If we were just looking at the lower time frame, a possible sell limit over here would be okay, and we can place it just for the sake of back testing. Let's see. Okay, yeah, looks like that the entry would have been at these lows at the actual, not at the candle close, but at the week close. And let's see if it continues down or if it pushes back. Now you can see how it's finding some problem breaking above these lows, and our buy sell limit would be missed by one single pip because I placed it at the candle body close instead of the week close, and yeah, would have been a TP, because if we go back over there, and as I was saying, then we place it a little bit further down, 10 pip. Okay, you see that it will be activated. You place the stop loss at break even at 5 pips, and then yeah, you see when it would be here at break even. And then you don't really care if it's going to bounce from here or not, because you have the stop loss at break even, and yeah, it goes then to your TP. Now that's the start of the new 4 hour. So yeah, this was the new 4 hour candle open. Let's see now the further price action, what is going to tell us. Okay, possibly even our first, wow, that's interesting, our first now I want to go back because I'm curious. Our first entry, okay, sell limit. I don't think that over there would have been activated anyway. Yeah, will not have been activated anyway. So okay, yeah, just add this week and then 10 pips, yeah, just to okay. Now let's see. This is just to see the actual trade idea working out. Now let's see the continuation. Of course, now I would love to see how it is going to react at this previous area. And in 15 minutes, we have the New York Stock Exchange open. So let's see if it's going to bounce, to give us a bounce and then a continuation up. I'm not going to take a buy, but if I see continuation sells, then I might take some sells based on the lower time frame strong momentum and the breakout retest and continuation down that we are seeing. Okay. Yeah, for now you can see how we got the bounce all the way back up. Same the idea. Now this is the New York Stock Exchange opening, the first 5 minutes, this volatility push. So now we can see basically everything. And yeah, let's see if we now very nice and bullish candle. Let's see if we have a break above and then a continuation up. Let's just have a check on the hourly. This previous hour candle close with a rejection. Now this one is closing bullish. Let's see in the last 8 minutes if it's closing bullish, and maybe if it's closing with more strength, or is closing with a very weak body, because at this hourly PSA it's not really good, especially if you see where it reacted on the hourly. It's reacting at this very important candle area. So yeah, that's where it reacted basically. Yeah, delete this. Yeah, let's see how it's going to continue. For now, it's pushing. If we want to just take basically every single trade, knowing that today we were in profits and we just want to take it, yeah, basically at 2.7, 3 pips by limit, and let's see if we see a pullback and a continuation up. Yeah, you can see now after another rejection, I don't want it to get activated, but you can see how this candle at this candle body eyes, which I don't know if on the 20-tick chart that would have been some candle bodies that I would have taken as a reference, would have been activated and would have gone 10 pips. So very, very good. And you know, let's see the continuation. Yeah, as you can see how after this further rejection, I'm not going to let this buy limit get activated again, especially now that we are at the 10 a.m. candle. So we just want to have a look at the hourly. The hourly closed with a very strong, it made an attempt, but it closed with a strong rejection. So for me, that's not a clear sign of buys yet. If we want to grab some more liquidity and then see a continuation up, then be my guest. As you can see, now we can place another buy limit at this area. I would probably love to place it, yeah, around this point, not the old ones. Let's see what is happening. Now we got activated. Let's see, because you can easily straight go down, especially with such a tight stop loss. So far we're seeing some rejection. Looks nice. Okay, looks promising. Yeah, as you can see, at least for a break even, this is looking promising. Let's hope that we're going to continue with the push. Now 14.14. Okay, yeah, very nice. So yeah, we can close off the day with 2 wins and a missed trade. Yeah, very good New York session, absolutely. So now let's continue and move on into the next pre-London. So this is, you can see, this is the following day pre-London session. You can see how after our TP price ranged and then pushed down. You can see how it failed to hold bullish. Now let's see on the hourly chart how this look how this area held held very strong. You can also lower it a little bit because this is based on the hourly, but based on the 1 minute, this is a very good area. And yeah, we also have this area that we can highlight. This one, if it ever goes to break above, this one over there, and then these lows over here. Very good. I want them as well. There you go. So now we starting to have, of course, a little bit of we have 1 hourly PSA on the upside, and we have one on the downside. This one is the previous one, 1674. So 674, yeah, is the old one. But let's see on the 1 minute. We have the one down and the upper one. We can then have these, and yeah, not really too much, but also we have these lows as a possible reference on the lower time frame. Let's see if we have any news today. No, we don't have any high impacting news. Today is the 30th. We are approaching the end of the month, and this should not be impacting at all. So let's see how it's going to, how the price is going to move during this pre-London time. Okay, ranging. Okay, failing to break below. Okay, some volume. We are approaching London Open. Let's see, yeah, what the trader that is most likely to happen on the chart is the breakout and retest of these highs to at least retest and revisit these previous ones, which are 11 pips away, which is a very, very good range. We know that the 10 pip TP, even just if it goes there, at least for sure we are at break even, and but we might even get the TP hit without a problem. So let's see the next few candles. We are 50 minutes away from the London Open. Yeah, okay, yes. So now let me go back. We are 5 minutes away from London Open. The buy limit is set up quite nicely. I like it. The stop loss is very tight, of course, especially on this with this range. As you can see how the TP is tapping perfectly the previous highs. Now I would love to, yeah, and here would just be at break even. I would love to see it. Let's see how, what I wanted to see. Okay, yeah, especially now this is London Open. I hope that the London candle doesn't move too much, London Open candle, but that's might happen. We got activated, very nice. So we place it at break even because we might get a spike up and then even maybe have a double top and a rejection. So I want, maybe not. I want the, yeah, we got stopped out. Very volatile, you can see. This is what I didn't really like about the London being triggered exactly at London Open. But yeah, that's what happens. And now, yeah, price is pushing up. We got stopped out exactly at these lows. Yeah, so it is what it is. And now let's see about the further price action. 707. Okay, you can see how it's being very volatile, and looks like that, yeah, this area on the left hand side is what is giving us some trouble to break above. So we are going to monitor it. Oopsie, okay. So now this area might be also a sell area now, because you can see that it's failing to break above, but it's not for me an entry level yet. Yeah, let's see, because there's still a lot of bullish pressure, so can easily break above quite easily, as much as can break on the downside. So for me, this PSA is not a high probability. I was looking as this is the first breakout and the retest exactly of this order block. So if you look at this as an order block, there it is. Okay. you see this is another block. Yeah, I could use Epic Pen because I mean I paid it, so let me use something that is more comfortable to use. So we are seeing this order block. Okay, and then a candle is breaking above and retesting. Since we were using this PSA as a reference, still not now happening at a random point, and due to with the very convenient thing that this area is more than enough for us to be at break even. This is basically the same trade idea as this, and that's what I would love to take advantage of. So for now, yeah, for now that will be a manual entry. But if I was to enter manually, probably like there, like that, I would enter, of course not like this, I would enter over there. Okay, especially because on the 20 tick chart, these are candles forming, not like here. You can see how a candle flips, candle closes at the order block highs, and then we see the continuation. We are basically almost at break even, and now it can reject at around 8 pips of profit. But if it can give us a push to these previous highs, you can see how the PSA is exactly, the entry is exactly the same as the previous one, a little bit higher, but that's okay. We can take advantage of the possible continuation. But as I said, we are not risking anything. Yeah, we go straight to the TP in a couple of minutes. The thing is that is blocking me sometimes is, okay, but am I taking the entry hoping that price from there will just spike up? Yes, and it happens a lot. Even here, I would have been a break-even trade if I wasn't really, I would say unlucky, but I mean, if I wasn't tapped out by a single pip or something, and it would go. The same here. Yeah, I will give him a little bit of a range. Then if it goes up, it goes up. I have statistic, and you can see how it happens often enough, which is 50%. That's often enough to be a very good trade setup. You can see also that the candle closes over there, and now we're just, this is basically 15 pips. We are at hourly PSA, so we might be some risky area, but let's see how it is going to continue. We are 20 minutes away from the hourly close, and it's just pushing. Yeah, from here it's 20 pips, 30 pips. Over here we didn't get any PSA. This one is an hourly PSA, so it's not really something that I would enter. This would be a bearish candle, but where, I don't know. So this can be a possible. Yeah, on the 1 minute I'm losing too much information. Probably these movements on the 20 tick chart are giving me a lot of information, which that is not giving me here. So yeah, for example, this PSA could be the entry, because you can see how now I just want to check, because over here you can see how now on the 1 minute price is going up, and then we are creating a wick. So this wick, so the price is moving up, but then in the same 1 minute candle, we are seeing this probable movement on the 20 tick chart, because we are probably like 3 or more 20 ticks candles in a single 1 minute candle. So when you see this price action, you can see how it probably even closed bearish over there. So now this one, since it was coming from a straight bullish price action, I cannot see that this is a PSA to enter. But this one, now if I see this price action after this, and then I can take advantage of this possible sell limit, buy limit activation for possible continuation bullish. So what I wanted to see, yeah, that's why I can consider placing a buy limit at this area, because that's where probably on the 20-tick chart is giving me a pivot point, the last high to yeah, a last higher high. Now we get activated, we place the stop loss at break even at 5 pips as always, and let's see if we get a push. For now, yes, but yeah, luckily that we go back to break even for the retest of the area of the hourly. Now this is a very risky, I would say, but yeah, very risky because we are reacting exactly at this same high. The highs from yesterday, from the day before, of course, which is not yesterday, but it's exactly the same highs where we reacted at the 4 a.m., which is 10 a.m. Eastern the other day. It's exactly the same area. So yes, we might take this possible trade, but we are now closing the hourly back below this area. So that's why I'm not really confident in taking a buy limit over there. The thing is that over here, we can easily see a quick bounce. I mean, this is not even the hourly close. But yeah, we can see a quick bounce. Sorry, the 1 minute close. At least for 5 pips. And if it fails, it's a break-even trade. But after this price action coming from there, I don't really trust the buys. Yes, as you can see how I get proven wrong, and it will go immediately straight away, bam, up. And yeah, talking about placing the buy limit over there and seeing the price action, I should just take it and don't think about it. If I'm trading like if it was a demo, yeah, break even, bam, 10 pips. Okay, this is a lesson about second guessing, about adding too much information to convince me that I should not take the trade. And that's something that happens quite a lot. And then if I was doing live trading, it's a 8:08 GMT, which is basically 1 hour after the London Open. That's where usually I see this price action, I take the entry and I lose. Okay, so after this, we can place this buy limit. Okay. Yeah, around there. And place it at break even. Let's see if it goes to 5 pips. Okay, very nice. Spike up. I would love for it to stay above. Yeah, and it goes to TP. Very nice trade idea. And yeah, in this, I took this buy, which of course is not part of the plan, but even this one that was not. I didn't know about that. Is working fine. So I just have to take entries like there's no issue. There's no problem. So yeah, we could also call this day, and that's it. We can also see a further bounce from this area, and now we are reacting at this stronger hourly candle. So we might not see further bullish continuation straight away. Yeah, you can see how even this time I've been proven wrong. Exactly the same thing is happening. What I said, okay, yeah, this might not be blah 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 blah. Tuck tuck gets activated and goes to TP. So second guessing is not really good, knowing that the currency pair can bounce multiple times. Now, when I see this price action, it's not the same, but it can continue on. You can see how this was another 10 pip move at the same area. Now with this stronger bearish pressure, I can see possible correction down to the downside, but otherwise, yeah. Wow. Also pushing above. I don't know if there was any news or anything, but now let's see. Are we retesting the hourly for the continuation bullish? No, we're seeing a rejection. So yeah, here it's okay to take a break-even trade. But yeah, that was a nice session anyway, with a couple of wins. Yeah, as you can see, a couple of wins and a lesson of always need to take my trades, what I see in the market, because if I just need a 50%, and this is even more than 50%. And a lot of time, if we go to break even, I will not just lose. So that's good. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you next time.